Okay, Ryan. I'm going to share screen. Okay. So we're doing number D lah. Okay, so you must make it in this form. Basically, your answer must be in this form lah. So we're doing D. Can you try? How, Ryan, you got it?
2000.
Okay, so 1 is to 20000. Well done. That means you got no problem with this, You're okay, Okay, great. Okay, well done, So now we go to the next skill. Okay, we try this one. Number 4. Number 4A first. So they want you now to do it in what form now? One, there's a units now, like this. They want you to do like 1 cm to how many meter or whatever. Okay, so down here now is cm to km. No, to meter, not km, to meter. Okay, but you must find out what is the k lah. K is a number. So just to inform you, now at this stage, both of these are cm. 1 cm to 40,000 cm. So you must change it to meter now. Okay? Can do immediate, great. Sorry?
1:400.
Well done. So you got divide 100. Now it become meter lah. 1 cm to 400 meter. So you have found out what is K. K is 400. Can you try now this one and this one? Do you want a distance on the map? In cm, So you must divide. You must divide. That means now this one is 600 now. So now what is this from here to here? You must divide by what? You see 1 is to 400. So you divide by 400. You divide by 400, you can get the answer now. 1.5. Now, what about the next one now? But the next one, you must make it. Sorry? Sorry? You didn't get 1.5. You got, okay, what do you get? 1. But 1 cm is 400, right? If 600, you get 1, that means, but 1 is already, okay, now, 1 cm represents 400. This is follow up to this question, continuity, continue. So now down here. So if you want 2 cm, 2 cm is 800, right? Because you times 2, correct? So 600 is in between, so it must be 1.5. How to get? Ask yourself how to get this number from here to here. You got to divide by 400. You got to divide by 400. 800 divided by 400 get 2. 600 divided by 400, you get 1.5. Are you okay? Now this one, now you must change it to meters. And then you find out how many cm is this. 50, correct. So you change it to 20,000, right? Then divide by 400, get 50. It's okay? So remember lah, when you have the comparison 1 cm to something, you want to find a number back there, you divide by the number. You want to find the number down here, you got a times. So for example, down here 1 is to 400, let's say. Now they give you 3 cm. You must take 3 times 400 to get down here. If this thing is on this side now, they give you 12,000 here. You want to find down here, you got to divide. To the right, you times. To the left, backwards, you divide. Okay. If we try one more, this one. I think we may have done this. But never mind, we practice again to see. You try now. A and B. Okay, once you finish A, tell me. Okay, 1 to 2, 500. Like that. Okay, let's see. 2 cm, 5 km. 5 km is 5,000, right? Meters, Then I change it some more lah. I times by another one, times by 100 becomes now cm is 2 cm. 2 more zeros. Divide by 2. I divide by 2, this one, I get 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Are you confused? Okay, now, down here now, we start with the beginning. You agree that 2 cm is to 5 km? Agree, yeah? So km we change to meters now, you times by 1,000. This is still 2 cm, you know. And then now we got to change it to cm. Meters change to cm, you must times by 100. So times by, yeah, because remember you want this form must always be same unit, cm to cm. Always. When they ask you for this form, you must be same unit. If this is meter, this one got meter. So now you change to cm, you times by 100, you get extra. Now when it's same already, you can cancel off the unit. Then what you want to bring it to 1, divide by 2. Divide by 2, 2, 5, 0, 250,000. Okay? You must be able to switch out from here to which one? To this form lah. You must be able to do all this, to be able to switch all this from here to here lah. Okay, now you try now. The actual distance is 12 km. So you don't use this one now. You can use this one, or you can even change it to 1 cm to 2.5 km. Can also, no problem. You use one of these. Yeah. Okay, down here now, you because now they want you, this is connected to the first one. So this is now 1 cm to 2.5 km. Do you agree now first? Because original was 2 cm to 5 km. I divide by 2, get 1 cm to 2.5 km. Now down here they say this is 12 km. What is this? Remember, you want to find down here, you got to divide. By divide by what? You get your answer straight. What do you get? 4.8. Yeah, okay, correct. 4.8 cm. So you notice that one is very important. Okay, this one, one is to how many km, how many meters, very important. Why we don't use this one? Very complex. Let's say now you get this one. You want to put 12,000, you got to find out in this cm is how much. And then you divide by this. Very big. So that's why now down here we try to have cm to km. They give you 2 cm, we make it 1 cm. Then after that, just divide by this number to get down here. Okay. If let's say they give you a number, let's say 5 cm here, you want to find down here, you times by 2.5. Okay, yeah. We try until you are a okay, yeah. Now area already, area. Okay, we try this one now. This one is not yet area, still length, eh? You can do like that now. 1 cm is to how many meters? Now is cm to cm. Make it to meters first.
One is to 40.
1 is to 40, good. Now we do the question. The question say 1.7 on the map, but how much in the real world?
Because that's 68.
68. Well done. How? Okay, not. Okay, now we are going to go. I think we are going to go to area already. Okay, let's see. Area. So area, remember, you need to do the area ratio. Area, you need to do the area ratio. You can do. You remember how to do? You do like square is to how many square? How many meter square? Remember that? Cannot remember. Okay. In order to change this to this form, all you need to do just this thing, you bracket, you square it. This one you bracket, you square it. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 cm square. But 40 times 40 is how many? 1600. Now they ask you now 8.4. Very easy. You know, once you reach this part, you know already what to do. You know what to do? You know what to do, right? So notice that we have to get this ratio clear first. How to do? Just square this, square this. Finish. Okay. All right.
3, 4, 4, 3.
Yeah, well done. 1, 3, 4, 4, 0. That's your answer. Well done. So you remember, if you want to do area, you just need to square this, square this. 1 times 1 give you 1. 40 times 40, 1600. Finish. You can do it already. Can, huh? Okay, you try now. Question number 8. Remember, when they give you like this, means it's cm to cm. When there's no unit, it's like cm to cm.
Sekolah jadi ya? Betul, tadi ini lah. Ini.
One five balls.
Well done. So down here 1 is to 1,500. Well done. Okay. But now down here you must have the other form. What form? This form, but make it 1. Now it's 4 cm to 6 km, right? Can you make it 1? So what's the answer down here? 1 is to how many? This one you divide by 4, you know. So divide by 4, so what do you get? 1 point. Okay, good. Now you just fill up. What is it? They give you 2.5 here. Now you know what to do already straight. Can you see what I do now? Now you just fill in the blank now. Finish. What's your answer?
3.75.
All right, well done. Okay, now, Ryan, you need to change now. They want area now, Ryan. You can see the bottom now. They want area now. You have to do now square this, 1 cm square is equals to how many km square? Remember what to do now? You have to do the ratio for the area now. So down here in 1 cm square, how many km square?
14.0.
How you get 1.1? Do you take 1.5 to 1.5? Must square this one. Square 1 times 1, 1.
Oh, 3.5.
Remember, not square 1, and then down here also you must also square 1.5. Remember, so how much do you get?
2.35.
Yeah, 2.25. So now the last part is very simple. They tell you this is 9 km square. Oh. 2.25, right? Now they want you to find this side now, cm square. But this one is 9. Down here is 9 km square. Oh, no. It's drifting. Down here is 9. Okay, can you find on here this one's question mark?
Okay.
Yes. 4 cm square, correct, right?
Yeah.
So do you get the pattern or not? You must have the ratio for the area. Okay. Sometimes having this very complex, we want this one also. This one make it easy. Once you know this, it depends, either divide or times, depending what they want. Okay, same thing for this one. We try the next one. Okay, this one similar. You try now. Similar type question. Number 9. How much? 20000. 20,000. Well done. So now down here now. So now you have to do the ratio again using this one. How many meters? And then 12 cm, you find out how much. You take from here. Okay. They give you 2 cm, right? All right, 2 cm first. 400. So 1 cm, how much? What? Oh, you got 12 straight. Which one you do? This one? No, down here you must divide by 2. From 2 to become 1, divide by 2. Down here also divide by 2.
Info.
2400. Okay, well done, well done. So you get it as 200. Then you just say 12 times 200, you get 2400.
Yeah.
Okay, your last one now down here. This one now area. You form now. Form your new this thing. Then later they give you 1.6 here. Right? Notice I'm just copying from the question and putting them in a ratio. Careful, this one meter, this one km now. Before you square, you change it to km. Joe, want to correct? You square it, what do you get? Well done. Now, how to get this answer? Well done. How is it? Okay, not? You can do all this on your own, Can, Ryan, you can do all this by your own, right? No problem, That's not going to measure. If we go to the other book. They want you to find what is n. So they want you to do like that, scale like that. If you're not sure, you write this as a ratio. If you're not sure, you write, fill in the blanks now, like that. In your book, you fill in the blank. What? Must make it the same. Then after that, you must make it 1 cm to how many cm. So now the next step, you change this to cm lah. Okay. Down here now they give 22.4, right? You just put 22.4 first. Some 56. How? If you got your answer, you can tell me. Okay, now, Ryan.
250.
Two what?
25000.
Well, how many zeros?
40.
Well done. Congratulations. So, okay, so you did this right. 22.4 is to 56 km. Then you times by 1,000, 56,000. Then you times by 100, 5,600,000. Something like that. Like that. One more zero. cm. Then this one 22.4, right? Then you divide 22.4. You get 1 cm is to this number. Well done. You've done it. Okay. But remember, once you finish this topic, you must just revisit it once in a while. No, otherwise you will spoof, you will disappear. All right, can we try? Yeah, this one now. So it's good from here to do what? To come out the scale cm to what? Km. Okay. Or cm to meter, up to you lah, Vishen. But they want in km, so it's best to have. Yeah. Now cm to cm first. Every time when they give you the right, means cm to cm or meter to meter, but they are using cm, so we assume it's cm to cm. Change it to meter first, divide by 100, then change it to km, divide by 1,000. So divide by 100. So what is the number?
0.04.
Well done. Well done. 0.04, well done. So now you can find now, you want 7.5 cm. So you just fill in the right above, 7.5 cm. You know what to do already. How many km they ask you? Well done. How is it getting easy now? All right.
Yes.
And once is okay, now you do the next one. 5.6 km. Now it's the other way around now. 5.6 km. We want it to be, we're gonna find in cm on the map how much. Remember, got to use this ratio.
I think 0.04, right?
But okay, but yeah, you want to go backwards now. So divide by 0.04, correct? If you're going forward, you must, I mean, backward is down here, right? So divide. If you want to find the answer down here, you got to times. That's not your times, right? Now you got to divide now.
1400.
140 or 1400?
Double zero.
Double zero. You try again, 5.6 divided by 0.04. 5.6, right? Yeah.
140.
140, Are you okay? Confused or not? No, right?
No,
Yep.
I saw.
No, okay. Okay. No problem. Well done, well done. Okay, now you try this one now.
2540.
Well done. 2540, 250,000. Huh? Okay, well done. So you got your first one correct. Now they go straight to area. So, but again, they want you to have from cm square to km square. So you have to first of all find out now, down here is 1 cm to how many km? First. Second one, 1 cm square to how many km square? Third, you find out the final one, 56 cm square to how many km square? Okay, this one you got to reduce from here. Now it's 4 to 10, right? So 1 is to how many? Then you try to do.
Try to use the 4 is to 10.
Sorry?
Try to use the 4 is to 10.
Yeah, first you must use 4 to 10. So you now currently is like that, right?
Yeah.
Notice we did not use the one that you just get 250,000 because it's different unit. Later we got to, so now we just form this one. 1 cm is how much? Then after you square this, you square this. Okay, down here you got 2.5.
Yeah.
Then you square it. Do you square it?
Yeah.
How much you get?
6.25.
6.25. Well done. Okay, then you times by 56.
Yeah.
Okay, I have not done, so I'm waiting. 350. Congratulations. Well done, Ryan. Well done. Okay, this is okay. So we move on to the next one. You know what's a plan, right? It's a map for the house, or for the office or something. Okay, you try now. Question 4. Notice, sorry? So, 1 is to 20 cm. But you must change it to meter later on. 1 cm, how many meter? Okay, down here now. So you need to find out what is this first. Then they ask you on the plan. Plan is always this side, what? 96 cm. How many meters is this? Can you can see my writing now? Can Okay. Well done. Well done. Now down here you got 0.2, right? Now you got to change this now to the area one. 1 square cm is how many square meter? And then you got to find now. What?
0.2, right?
0.2, you got to square it. How much you get? Four. You get this?
Yeah.
Okay, now find this one now. Well done. Okay, do you get it now? Is it easy or not? What is pantry? What is pantry?
Where they make tea.
Where they make tea, you know. Where they make tea, you know. Yeah. Okay, well done. Okay, move on. Okay. this time, I'm not going to do any helping the thing. You do totally. Okay, I'm not going to write anything. This is your test lah. Oh, sorry. How many meters? How many cm is it? Okay, now how many cm? 8 cm.
48.
48. Okay. You are doing B or A? A. Okay. Let's see. Now the scale is 1:25, and we know this is cm is to cm. But because they want now to do in meters and cm, I gotta change this to meters. So I divide this by 100. I get 0.25 meters. All right now. Then they tell me that the library is 12 meters. So how many cm? Do you divide 12 by 0.25? Oh, well done, well done, well done. Congratulations. I don't know why I had the number 100 in my head. I did the calculation. Well done. And now, area. Remember, you need to do something to do the area. Congratulations, fine. Area. I don't know.
Seven point six eight.
7.68, the answer. Okay, let us go to one by one. Do you change this into 1 square cm is how many square meters? You must square this, 0.25 times 0.25. Do you get use 25, then down here is cm, then they want square meter, no? You must use this one. Okay, you try. Again?
76800.
76800. Okay. Do you get this one first? This one you got?
Yeah.
Now it's 4800, no? This is cm. They want it to in meters. You actually, because you're doing now by calculator. If you write, you can see that.
No, I write.
Oh, you write.
I don't know. I don't know.
300. Well done.
Okay.
Okay. Well done. Well done. Well done. Good try. Somewhere only you must remember lah, because you got to look at the question. Sometimes you put cm square, meters. You must use that units. Yeah. Now we do the next one. So I didn't hear what you said. You got answer. Ryan, you're frozen, Ryan. Now you're half frozen. Okay. Okay. Chapter 4, 5. Okay. Which book are you using? Are you using Think or Discovery? Okay. Let me just run through shortly. Chapter 4, 5, and 8. This is from book. Okay, never mind. I'll check later. So this one is 1 cm to how many km? I change to meter, they change to cm lah. Got to divide.
This is chapter 8.
Sorry? Divide by
This is chapter 8.
divide chapter 8. This is hold on. I would now just check through. This is chapter 8, yes. So it's coming out, right? Okay, and is it this one, right? Well done, 2.5 km. Now you can already do, once you do that, the next one you can do already. Amen? 60. Well done, 60. Okay, so well done. Now the next one is area. So you do another one for area from here. You can do area now.
Uh,
9.6 square cm. Congratulations, you have passed your test. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Okay, this is the way. So you must tomorrow. You have you're not having a test tomorrow, right? Your
No.
WA is when? Next week.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, then we go through. Okay. So I think skills you're okay. Let me just check. Let me just check what is covered. Hold on. Okay. Chapter The earlier chapter, I think, is not here lah. It's in A book lah. A book, right? Okay, okay. Let me get A book. Okay, A book. You said what? Unit 4. 4 and 5 algebra lah. 4 and 5 is going to be algebra. Expansion of algebra. Algebraic. Expansion of algebra. Okay, I tell you what, you got your textbook or not? Wait, let me see, I can this question 4. Okay, I'll give you the questions. Yeah, I'll give you the questions we do. Question chapter 4. Okay, just one moment. Give me just a moment. Okay. Just let me just look. I'll just show the worksheet. Okay, so we got the worksheet straight, right? Here we go. This is chapter number 4, but I'm using the thing book. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, you will cover all this lah. All right, so we run through very quickly. Okay, you try question number 5. What's the answer? Huh? You don't have this thing lah. Huh? Sorry? 3y square. Okay, well done. 3y square. There's a square here. So this is okay. We are just gonna touch and go as many questions possible. This one, what about this one? Huh? Can do. Plus and minus. Plus and minus, the sign become what? 8x squared minus 5x squared. So what's the answer? 3x squared. Okay, we do G now. One last one for G. Can you see the G? Can I? Again, what's that? Okay, remember, minus and minus becomes what? Positive. So plus 11x squared minus 7x squared. You can also put it the other way around. 11x squared minus 7x squared. What's your answer? You have $11, 4x squared. Okay, 4x squared. You are okay, right? You okay. What about F? You owe $3 to mom. You owe $9 to dad. Negative 12. Confident. Okay, down here now, remember these signs are being multiplied. The signs are being multiplied. This one also being multiplied. So down here you get minus. This one you get plus. This one you get plus. This one, there is no multiplication. There's no bracket. So O mommy, O daddy. So O mama ni lah. Okay. Alright, here we go now. Now they want you to simplify. Can you try question A? Group the same type together.
What's x to factor?
5x square plus 12. Good. Okay, well done. So now we do this one now. C. You can remove the bracket first. I can times first. You get what? Remember, include the sign in front. Include the sign in front. What do I mean? So this one 8 positive.
So
It- The x thing become plus and minus become minus down here. But down here now this one is big, 9x squared minus 1x squared. 9 minus 1 is 1. So this one will be 8x squared. Then the next two, this one and this one. Plus or minus? Plus 7. Okay. We will try this one on next one. F. Don't be afraid of the bracket. Look at the sign. This sign and this sign. Come on. Sorry, repeat what you say.
3y2 minus 3y2.
3y plus 3y, right? This is minus and minus, Remember when there's a bracket, you must remember the ruling. This is times now. Minus times minus give you plus. So 3y square plus 3y square. So you get?
Yeah,
You get
y2.
6y square. Then careful. Minus owe $10, have $10. Owe 10 minus 10y plus 10y. You must look, down here got plus, no? 0. So we don't include. Plus 8 plus 8 plus 16. How? Okay or not? Are you okay? Okay, we try now. Next one. D. You can rearrange them, no problem. No. Okay, you can rearrange them. But remember, the sign in front belongs to the number.
5y,
That means
5y
5y squared, correct?
by 7.
Minus by 7. Well done, Mr. Ryan. Well done. Are you going to become maths teacher in the future? Huh? No. What? Don't say cannot lah. You never know. Hey, don't say cannot ni. Why you say cannot lah, Mak? Okay, okay. This one now. Now we move on because all these will be tested, Remember, you need to times and then times. Okay. First one now. What's your answer?
X.
Okay. Plus 28, correct. Well done. Okay, this one now. D.
-10
Negative 10, good.
plus by 4x.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. Okay, we try this one now. G.
-3ay
Okay. Some more.
times minus by 4ax.
Well done. Good, 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 good. Well done. Okay, so you're very good at this today. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So now simplify. Okay, we try C. You got to times out first, then after you got to write it down. You got to times out and then you see.
4 times by
Sorry? The 4 times by 6 and then 4 times by 5.
then the 7 again.
7 later you must, after you times, then you see can you plus. You must time first. So that means you copy down the 7x like that. Then you put what number, then you see whether can you plus later this.
X minus by 21.
31x. Okay, 31x plus.
Minus by 21.
Well done, Alhamdulillah. Okay, I think you can make it as a maths teacher lah. Change your mind. You can teach your adik and all. Okay, so this one, remember, you must times here, then times here. So can we? Yeah, you can do this first one. Okay.
X plus by A, y plus by z, then bx plus by c.
Okay, well done. Okay, we move on to the next one. Can you try B?
X minus by 6x, negative 6x.
30x, is it?
60.
Minus 60. Okay, sorry. 60x minus by 6x squared.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay. Okay, this one now.
Divide, right?
What?
Direct divide.
No, don't divide. You must time x times x times 2,
Oh,
8 times same thing, same thing. Then you
x squared plus by 10x plus
plus 16, huh? Well done. All right, we move on to this one here. B.
Eleven x squared plus by 3x plus by 50.
Okay, what's the center? What? 11 x squared
11x squared plus by 330 x
53
330
330x. Okay, and then
plus by 30.
plus by 30. Okay, what is confirmed correct? This one's correct. This one's correct. Let us see now your center whether x times 11, 11x squared. Correct, huh? X times minus 6, minus 6x.
Negative 61 x.
Ah, negative 61x. Yes. How come you get? How come you get?
Times by 0.
Oh, times again.
Times by
Okay.
0.
Yeah. Okay. So correct. This is correct. So not bad, right? Okay, right? You can factorize this one. Take what is common out. What is common out? What number can both number be divided by? Divide by 2. Okay, so inside will be what?
X minus by 5.
Plus.
By 5.
Plus 5. Good. Okay, well done. Okay, yeah. Okay, we move on to the next one. Hold on, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll give you another one now. Okay, my own question. Okay, they ask you now to factorize So they want you to factorize like that. You have to use it. Once you have 3 like that, normally, you need to do crisscross method. Normally, remember the crisscross method?
Yeah.
Okay, can you try?
X plus by 2.
X plus 2.
X plus by 3.
Well done. Alhamdulillah. So I give you one last question, can I? Can, huh? Okay. So now this is now x square minus something, hold on, plus 10 minus 7x. You must do the same way lah. Just now the center was plus. Now center is minus. Clue. Because minus times minus can give you 10, you know. Let's say minus something times minus something can give you plus. So that's your clue. That's your clue. That's your clue. It's minus something lah. Minus something. Can? What times what equals to 10?
5 times by 2.
Okay, we'll find 2 lah, you see. X times minus 5, minus 5x. X times minus 2, minus 2x. You get minus 7x, what? And you get plus 10x, plus 10, not 10x, plus 10. So x minus 5, x minus 2. Are you okay? You get it, eh? So you see, if this is plus, normally this one will be plus. If minus plus, you minus. If this one is minus, you got a C lah. Sometimes, okay, I'll leave it to you to explore. But not bad, Ryan, not bad. All the best for tomorrow. How long is the test? You don't know. 1 hour. 1 hour, okay. All the best. You take care. Okay, assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.